Power up your life. Solar energy for smart homes in Nigeria. Tired of power outages disrupting your smart home experience? Discover how solar energy can revolutionize your life and power your favorite gadgets, even in Nigeria. Nigeria's abundant sunshine makes solar energy a perfect solution for reliable power. Imagine a world where your smart lights, security systems, and entertainment devices never lose power. Solar energy makes this a reality. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity, powering your entire home. This means uninterrupted access to your smart home gadgets, from smart thermostats to voice assistants. Enjoy seamless automation and control, regardless of grid availability. Solar energy reduces your reliance on the national grid, saving you money on electricity bills. It's also an environmentally friendly choice, reducing your carbon footprint and contributing to a cleaner Nigeria. Embrace sustainable living while enjoying the latest technology. Ready to unlock the potential of solar energy for your smart home?